What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Chris. This is PnwRcMadness. It's just madness, guys. So, welcome back to the channel. And I got another video today for you on the Traxxas XRT. And it's an upgrade. It is the GPM Racing Products 7075 aluminum. We'll get it out of the package in just a moment, and I'll show you what is in the bags. There it is. Super nice, nicely machined, nice and tight. Has the bearings already in it with the tie bar already connected. And then here are the bearings you're going to get for the truck as well. So we're going to go ahead, take the front of the truck off, get the old one off. And the reason why we're replacing this, guys, is because we broke the stock one 2 times now. So let's go ahead and get this thing on the truck, get it out the dirt, show you what it looks like. And you guys can find these at www.PnwRcMadness.com. I'll leave the link in the description below. There we go. There's the broken Bellcrank piece right there. There we go. Disconnect the truck. All right, same thing. We're going to undo the tie bar to reinstall it. Careful, there is a lock nut. Show you the bearings. So there we go. Comes with bearings. Super nice. All right, so before you reinstall, oops. Little trick for you before you go ahead and reinstall servo saver. Just go ahead and put a little bit of grease on this. So that way it will hold it in the hole. You're going to put that in there before you install it. Make sure it doesn't fall out. There you go. Push your tie bar back together. Remember, you got that nut back there, so don't push it out. There we go. Now you are installed. So just go ahead, put the truck back together the way it came apart, and we'll go test it right out in the dirt. All right, here we go. Let's do it. All right, let's check it out. It's recording. All right, so we got the PnwRcMadness straps, motor mount, and the brand new PnwRcMadness electronics tray caddy. Running the ProTech 1K TBL in this truck. All right, guys, let's go test it out. Might be a little too low geared, but we're gonna give it a shot. Stretch the belt. We got some tools. Got a brand new belt on it. We're gonna go ahead and climb the mountain, guys. Think we can do it? I think we can do it. We should have left the other gearing in it though. Whew. It's a little slow. Let's go ahead and check the temps. All right, let's see what we got, guys. Check it by hand. Definitely not digging the gearing. Oh, it's nice and cool. Belt is still tight. We're gonna step it up to a 15 tooth. Woo! See if we can jump that on the way down. Let's check the temp, guys. Let's check the temp. All right, we got a dog watching us. Oh yeah. It's a little too slow for me, guys, but look at that steering. Oh yeah. Let's hit this up right here. Woo! Oh no, guys! Oh no! Whoa! I've never had that happen. Oh, I thought my batteries were on fire, guys. Oh man. Oh, guys, I gotta get a cover. Guys, that's gonna end the video. I feel like my truck was almost on fire. We're gonna go ahead and get a cover before we run back out here again. But steering servo is holding up awesome. The gosh, man. Anyways, I need to get this thing back home, guys. I'm a little caught off guard. Got a rock in there, guys. So anyways, we definitely need to get a cover made. I'm gonna get a cover made. Please do like and subscribe. Leave me a comment below. And look at that, guys. It caught on fire. It literally caught on fire. Smoked it. So guys, you can find these parts on my website, www.PnwRcMadness.com. All right, guys, so we made it back. We got the truck all cleaned up. Made sure everything looked good. For a second there, I thought we had a fire, and I was super bummed. I just talked with my friend Jason Swan. If you're watching, shout out to Jason Swan. Just spoke with him today, told me he had a fire burn up his truck. I seen it, it wasn't good. So check it out, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and change up the gearing. The truck's super slow. I just basically wanted to go all the way down as far as I could and see what it had, maybe 30 miles per hour. Check out that belt. Thought it was a fire, so glad it wasn't. But anyways, ESC Electronics Caddy is holding up awesome. The brand new steering servo Bellcrank and saver is awesome. Didn't really get a chance to do much with it today. We're going to go ahead and speed it back up, take it back to the same spot, throw it back in there again with a belt cover on there. Definitely this time Guys, the servo is awesome. The straps held up awesome. All good to go. So thanks for tuning into the channel. Please do leave me a like, leave me a thumbs up. Do leave me a comment. And guys, please do hit that subscribe button down in your right hand corner. And I will talk to you guys later. Whoosh.